Welcome to Quinnipiac University Library. In this video, we will learn how to search and find full-text articles in the ABIInform database and contact information. ABIInform is a database of nearly 1,800 worldwide business periodicals, including scholarly and peer-reviewed journals, magazines, trade publications, and newspapers. ABIInform can be found on the Arnold Bernhard Library homepage under Popular Databases, and here is ABIInform. When you click on ABIInform from off-campus, you will see a login screen that looks just like this. You will need to authenticate yourself by entering in your Quinnipiac username without the @quinnipiac.edu on the end and your password. In ABIInform, let's click right on ABIInform, you can either type in your terms in the basic search box, which is right here, or you can click right on the advanced. One difference between the basic right here and the advanced is that in the advanced search screen, which I'm going to be showing you, to separate your terms or your phrases, you will separate them by using and right here between your terms. Using and between your terms means that both terms will have to appear within the article. In the basic search, which is right here, you will have to type in and between your terms. Let's click on advanced, please. And let's type in, I am going to be using the terms performance management and organizational leadership. And organizational leadership. If you put quotes around your terms, that will keep the two terms together in your results. Otherwise, the terms might be separated. If you have more than one phrase, you can separate them by putting and between your two phrases. On the right-hand side, if you decide, you can limit your search. If you like, you can also limit your search, or you can search by an author, by a document title if you choose. And let's scroll down. You will also be able to limit your search by peer-reviewed. If you do not check off peer-reviewed, you can get newspapers, magazines, trade publications within your results. Never ever check off full text. If you check off full text, you will only be limiting your results to articles in the ABIInform database. There might be articles that appear in the search that might be helpful, that will be linked out to another database or a publisher's webpage. So please do not check off full text. Let's scroll down a little, and under publication date, you can also limit your search by 3 months, 12 months, 3 years, or you can specify a date range. And I'm going to choose 3 years for this search. So right now I have performance management in quotes, organizational leadership. I'm going to check off that peer-reviewed right here and limit by the last 3 years. And let's scroll down. And on the left-hand side, right under source type, you can also decide if you would like to limit by a magazines, if you want only magazines, newspapers. There are trade publications and scholarly journals right here. And I'm going to check off those scholarly journals. Under document type, you can decide if you want a business case, a business plan, a case study. If you want articles also, if you want an article, and I'm going to check off article. Also under language, I am going to limit by English. Let's check off English and just check it off. And let's scroll back up and click on search. So now I have those peer-reviewed journals if you'd like. I checked off peer-reviewed, and I limited to the last 3 years. And I came up with 93 results right here. Now you can sort by the most recent first, by the oldest first, or by the most relevance first also. So if you want the most relevant articles, you can click right on that. And I'm going to change to relevance. So the most relevant articles will appear first. And let's scroll down. Right here on the top is your title. Right underneath of your title is the name of the authors. So here are all of your authors. Right underneath the authors is the name of the journal, Employee Relations, your volume, issue, year, and your pages. If you would like to look at the abstract, you can just click on abstract and it will give you a brief overview of the article. And to bring up the full text for this particular article, you would click right on full text PDF. Now, PDF is a scanned replica of the original article. So let's scroll down and let's click on PDF. But one thing I want to show you also is you can email this to yourself, you can save this, you can print the article if you'd like. It will cite one of these for you. This particular article, it will cite it for you, and you can change the citation style if you'd like to APA, MLA if you'd like. And let's click on download PDF. Remember, always click on PDF to bring up that full article. And remember, that's a scanned replica of the original article. And all peer-reviewed and scholarly articles have PDFs. And here is your full article. Let's go back and go back to our search. And remember, I told you never to check off full text. Well, if you checked off full text, you won't get something that was called check for full text. So check for full text might link you to another database or a publisher's webpage. So let's click on check for full text, and this is number 1. And here is the title right here. Right underneath is your author or authors, your journal, your volume, issue, and pages. And anything that comes up that says click this link to open the selected resource in a new window, or if it's blank in the middle right here and it says open content in new tab, just click on that. And let's click right on click this link to open the selected resource. And this is in Sage Journals, which is another database. Here is your title right here. And let's click on download PDF. Remember, this is a scholarly peer-reviewed journal. And here is the full article. Here's your abstract. You can print or you can save the article. Please contact the Arnold Bernhard Library Reference Desk either by phone or email if you have any questions. Thank you.